All right, welcome back to your Try to Final Review videos. We are doing numbers 42, 43, 44, and 45. 42, it says, what's the value of x, given that OP is parallel to NQ. All right, for this one, what I'm going to do is set up a proportion. I want to do 9 over x, because those two are in the same spot, equals, and then we're going to do 18 over 20. Again, notice the fractions that are together are in the same spots. The fractions that are on the top are from the same side, or the numbers on the top. The numbers on the bottom are from the same side. We're going to go ahead and cross multiply, so I'm going to do 9 times 20 equals 18 times x. 9 times 20 gives me 180. 18x. Again, I'm trying to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 18. When I do that, I get x equals 10. And that shall be my final answer. My next one, we're going to do a similar thing. So we have 27 and 24 equals 18 over y. Again, we're going to cross multiply. So when I do that, I have 27y equals 18 times 24. I have no idea what 18 times 24 is off the top of my head, so let me type it in my calculator. We get 27y equals 432. We're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 27. And when I do that, I get y equals 16. Again, when I set up my fractions, these two are from the same, like we're in the same spot, so 27 and 24. These two also in the same spot. Across the ways, let's use blue. These two are in the same triangle. These two are in the same triangle. My next one was the value of x, given that AE is parallel to BD. Again, this is like our first one we did. So we're going to do 11 over 7 equals x over 5. Again, we're going to cross multiply, so we have 7x equals 11 times 5. So we have 7x equals 55. My last step is going to be to divide by 7. And when I do that, I get x equals 7 points, we'll call it 86. And that shall be my final answer. And 45, it says, given that PQ is parallel to BC and AB equals 25, so this whole length here is 25, what are AP and BP? So we're going to do kind of two things here. First thing, I'm going to figure out this whole length. When I do that, I'm going to do 12 plus 18, which equals 30. So for each of my fractions, I'm going to start out with 25 over 30. And then for my first one, we're going to do equals. This little part, 12, we'll put that on the bottom because it's on the same side as 30. And then we'll just put AP on top because that's what we're looking for. We are going to cross multiply, so I'm going to do 25 times 12 equals 30 AP. 25 times 12 gives me 300 equals 30 AP. Again, we'll divide by 30, and we get AP equals 10. Now, we know the whole thing should be 25. So for PB, because that's what we want to find, or BP, or whatever you want to call it, BP should equal 25 minus 10, which equals 15. But let's be great little students and check our work. So again, we're going to use 25 over 30 as our first fraction. And then on the same side as 30, we have 18. So let's put 18 on the bottom. And it should be the same, well, we should have PB on top. Again, we're going to cross multiply. So I'm going to do 25 times 18 equals 30 PB. Am I going to be really sad if for whatever reason I did my math wrong? Yes. So we get 450 equals 30 PB. Again, we're going to divide both sides by 30. Let's make this green. And I get PB equals 450 divided by 30. 15, which means I did my math right. Love when that happens. All right. Thank you for watching.